This is just going to be a quick little video on the Google Classroom and just showing you an example of what some of us teachers have been doing, and then also kind of looking at how we could maybe refine it and make it just a little bit better, especially for maybe our SPED or EL population. So, like many of you, you might have a Google Classroom that might even look similar to this, where you have created a topic up here, and maybe you created for the week, something like that. And many of you have created your assignments and even labeled them by date. And so here's some of mine. So I'll just kind of look at April 6th to 9th here. So if kids are logging on, they can see, well, this is Monday's assignment and Tuesday's assignment. And if they click on it, they can see what they're asked to do. So here's step one and step two. It seems like it might make sense and is pretty well organized. And again, here's Wednesday's assignment, a couple of different things, tells them what to watch, what they need to do. And then you look at like Thursday's assignment, and there's 5 different steps, and again, in chronological order of what the students need to do. And here's the different activities that they're asked to complete. So while this looks organized, I, like a few others, realized there's a better way to perhaps do this. And so here's a model that you might want to look at for refining your Google Classroom. So if you take a look at week 2 here, April 6th through the 9th, a better way to do this probably would be to do something more like this. So I created the topic. Again, this was suggested by some of the SPED leads. And so making the topic, rather than making the topic like a unit or a week like most of us are doing, you could make the topic the day, like April 6th, and then here's the steps that the kids see. So rather than having like all this kind of jumbled 5 different things here and having to make sure that they check off each one and then look at, well, step two, which one is really step two? Well, it might be kind of hard to see which video or assignment's actually step two. Whereas if I look at here, it clearly says each student that logs in knows, well, this is step one. I click on that, I can do that activity. Here's step two, here's step three. So it's a little bit cleaner for kids, and especially like this one where I had a lot of growth mindset stuff. That would have been a lot easier for kids to do rather than looking at all of this. So I know we're all like working super hard at trying to make our Google Classroom user friendly and organized, but we can all learn a few little tips too. So this is just one of them to help maybe help students navigate our Google Classroom just a little bit more efficiently. Thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed.